Do you know how to keep chicken breasts fresh and delicious? Let's take a look at how ELeMotion contributes to food preservation. Our packaging speed can reach up to 75 bags per minute. First, we place the food packaging bags into the bag magazine for easy retrieval. The bags are then transferred to a turntable for coating. Next, pistons are used to open the bags. Here, we see manual filling. Chicken breast is placed into a filling cup for stuffing and dispensing, ensuring the meat is properly positioned inside the packaging bag. For a more perfect seal, we perform additional stuffing and clean the bag opening. Afterward, the product is transferred to a vacuum chamber for vacuuming and sealing. Through this series of operations, we complete the vacuum packaging of chicken breast.